Going up here, we have an Athenian water and a Master's Crown. Ooh, I thought that item was going to be a lot later. Boost damage prevents all status ailments. This works in kind of a special way. There's only one of these in the whole game, and oh boy, let me tell you about how crazy of an effect this is. It's the same effect as the sunglasses and the prism spectacles, multiplying all damage out of a character, be it physical or magical, this time by 1.25 times. Contrary to reality and physics, the prism spectacles and the sunglasses aren't a piece of headgear, they're accessories. These two items stack for an effective damage multiplication of 1.875 times. Taste the rainbow, motherfucker! I just had to get that out of my system because, oh, it's so powerful. In theory, yes, it can be collected Whoa! Not what I was expecting to see in a light corridor, more of a dark one.